This is me, Vicky, and I am a rider with over 5 years of experience, and I always get asked the same question: what's the purpose of riding a bike? Today I am gonna show you what's the reason. It's the stories. Stories are the backbone of every riding. When you just ride a bike through the highway and came back to home, probably you have a story. A story that always calling you back to the highway. And you have another story. Alright, let's tell you a story. A story of returning home. Every adventure has a beginning, a middle, and an end. We chased the sunset to get here. We saw the raw life at Mohana, and we battled the rain, and we enjoy the beach life. But every rider knows the journey is not truly over until you safely back home. So guys, now it's time to go home. And it is funny, isn't it, how the same roads can feel so different. The road that brought us here was filled with excitement. Now riding it back, it feels different. It quieter, more thoughtful. Every corner we turn is a quiet goodbye to the sea, and you can see the town shrink in your rear view mirror. And you know our memory is being sealed. Actually, this is the gate of Jagannath Dham, and Backg. And this is the parking area, and we have to park here. So we are low on fuel. We have to find a fuel pump. In 500 meters or a kilometer ahead, there is a petrol pump, I think so. So guys, we are on our petrol pump and let's fill up. So let's continue our journey, and our next stop will be, I think, Kathi or Kontai, you can say, or Kathi town. Or if the weather is clear enough, so we will stop our bike by Kolaghat. So let's begin our journey, and we have to be very careful on this road because this is two-way. Okay. Now it's after 30 minutes of riding, we finally found a road that is clear enough for riding, and we are heading towards Kathi. And let's stretch a little bit more. It's that kind of road that we are gonna love to ride. So let's overtake this bus and stretch. Da-da-da, la-la-da. A song is humming in my mind. That is a Bengali song, like দুই পৃথিবী কিসের চাহিদায় ঘর ছাড়া দুই পৃথিবী কোন চাওয়া পাওয়ার দিশেহারা. It's a pretty much awesome song for the bikers who are riding in Bengal, or who is a Bengali rider who is riding his bike through the Bengal and anywhere he can go. The one song he will play is this Dui Prithivi song. And we are here on another bend, and the bend is pretty much sharp, so it's a school bus of Kontai Public School, and let's heading towards Kathi or Kontai. Many of say it's Kontai and many of say in Bengali it's a Kathi, so it's a different name but same place. Let's head out. Riding on a highway is like your body is on autopilot, but your mind is in racing. It becomes a time machine. With every kilometer that passes, you replay the moments of the trip. For anyone who travels in this road, Kolaghat is the stop, or you can say it's our pit stop as a group, our last shared meal of the trip. This is where we trade our favorite moments and make promises for the next trip. After Kolaghat, you feel the shift. The vacation is officially over. Your mind slowly starts logging back into your life. And then you meet it. The familiar beast, the noise, the traffic, the chaos, it's hit you like a wave. But when you are coming home, it's not annoying, it's comforting. The sights of the yellow taxis and rumble of the buses, its familiar turns, these are the signals you are back in your territory.